Hello and welcome to today's edition of the Basic Introduction to Computer Studies. And today's lesson has the focus on the objectives as this. Number one, to explain the keyboard. And secondly, to give you the basic classification of the keyboard. So straight ahead, what is the keyboard generally? The keyboard is a peripheral component of the computer that the user cannot do without, which helps the user to insert character. Interesting. What is character? Character in the computer sense could be referred as symbols. As you can see, the exclamation mark, the inverted comma, the euro, the dollar, the percent, the caret and the star, the question mark, and these numbers. Characters could also be alphabets, and the combination of symbols, numbers, and alphabets are known as characters in computer. So therefore, if I have a combination of numbers, characters, and symbols, they are known. When you have the combination of numbers, you have alphabets and symbols, they are all characterized as what? Character in computer. Sometimes you have difficulty when they say type a password with not more than 8 characters. You will discover that when you just put pure numbers, the password is rejected. It's simply because it's not yet a complete character. Because a character consists of a symbol, it consists of number and also alphabet. So quickly, these are the basic classification of the parts of a keyboard. First, we have the functional keys. 2, which is the special keys, the numerical keys, the alphabetical keys, navigational key, and the space bar. Now, the functional keys. These are keys that are designed to carry out basic functions such as 1. To increase and decrease brightness of light on your computer. Secondly, to mute, to pause, to play a video or an audio, either to move next or to previous. They are all basic functions that are found from F1 to F12, which is normally the first row of a standard keyboard. Thirdly, specifically, the F12 is used to on the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is also known as the wireless fidelity. Now I'm going to move to the breakdown, which is the second category or the classification, which is the special keys and their uses. First, the escape key. Escape key enables you to escape a current screen to a Windows screen. So perhaps you are doing a work on your computer and you want to navigate quickly so that another user will not see what you are doing. In case of programming, all you just need to do is just to press your escape key on the keyboard, and there the window you are working with currently will just go off and it will just appear as just a Windows screen. And when you are done, you want to return back to your main screen, all you need to do is to press escape back and it returns you to the current screen you are working on. Now the next special key is known as the tab key. The tab key enables you to insert paragraphing, and it also helps you to move across tables. The next key is the caps lock. The caps lock helps you to insert capital letters, or it helps you to capitalize each word. For example, capital letter A, B, C, D to E to Z rather. Now we have the shift key. Now the shift key helps you to navigate to the second function of a key. Now when you look at a basic standard keyboard, for instance, where number 1 is, you discover that number 1 has 2 basic functions there. The first function, which is always below, is the first function, and whatever is above is known as the second function of that particular key. So next, in continuation about the special keys, we have the control keys. The control keys enables you to insert shortcut. For example, Control A simply means to select all. Control B means to bold. Control C means to select select a copy, or to copy a particular text or a picture. Now Control S helps you to save. Control Z enables you to undo. Now there are a lot of functions, control function keys that are available on your keyboard. That will be your assignment to find out the other keys. Now next is the enter key. Now the enter key helps you to click on OK automatically, or again it helps you to move from one line of a document to another. Now we have the backspace key also, which is a special key. It helps you to delete one after the other, and the delete key helps you to remove completely a text or an image or any character at all. But what is then the difference between the direct delete key and the basic backspace key? Now anytime you make use of your backspace key, you can just press on Ctrl Z, which is undo, to return back to where the work was. But when you press on the delete key, it removes the work completely. So it is safer when you are typing a text to make use of your backspace key. Now the navigational keys. The navigational keys are a set of keys on the keyboard that helps you to either move up or down, or to the right side of your work or to the left side of your work. And of course, you know that the space bar is just used for giving space. So thank you for listening. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if there are questions or comments you want to leave, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you once again.